So the next step is to cut your column to length, and I try and give it to you at the correct length, which needs to be 10 inches, but just in case you need to cut it down, we always use an apparatus, like a jig on the bandsaw when we're cutting anything round. That helps prevent the blade will grab the stock and spin it, and then the blade breaks and the stock breaks, and potentially pulling your fingers in as well. So we always want to use a V-block here. So we've got this orange one here and another one here that we can use if we needed to. So just want to make sure we use those when we're cutting anything round on the bandsaw. So if you needed to cut yours to length, to the appropriate length, you can use this block, measure it out, and then cut what you needed. The instructions also tell you to take your post and to measure up 1 inch from one end. So I'm going to put it in this vise so that it's easier to hold, and I'm going to measure up 1 inch from the bottom, and I'm going to mark it with my pencil, just so I have an idea where that is. And then it says to drill a 1/8 inch hole through there. So I'm going to get that. Now it's going to wander all over me, so what I want to do is make sure I use that little screw trick. So I'm going to take that little screw or nail, and I'm going to just tap it a little bit, just to make a little indentation of where I want that drill bit to go so it doesn't wander on me. And then I'm going to line that up, and I'm going to drill a hole all the way through. Just like that. And that's so that I can put the string through there. And I'm going to end up doing the same thing to the ball at some point, but that comes later on.